Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Wi-Fi connections on this laptop. To reset this feature, you'll have to enter the BIOS menu, and to do that, press the power button once to turn on your laptop and then repeatedly press F2 key until you can see the BIOS menu on your screen. Then navigating with your touchpad, go to the configuration settings and next to the wireless LAN, switch the value to disabled in order to disable Wi-Fi connections, and to enable them, click enabled. To save this value and exit, press F10 and then enter, and to discard changes, press escape. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.